I have gathered all the boys for my birthday, and now we are here at the commercial scales to see what all of our race cars weigh. Put your guesses down below. Here are the cars that we're going to be weighing today, and fingers crossed, mine's not a pig.
I have 40 liters of vinegar.
Whoa! Sean got me this shirt.
Looks great on you.
I have to wear it.
You do have to wear it.
J-Bone got me this. It's much nicer than this shirt. Why did you bring the whole shop here, Sean?
It's been storage all winter.
That's crazy. All right, we gotta go in order now. Hey, don't jinx it. He said it starts every time. $80 of gas into it.
Smells really gassy.
Yeah.
What is it?
1330 kilograms. What is that in pounds? I'm ready. 29. Let's go. Dude, what's
That's
that
so
power
light.
to weigh? 525 horse, 2,900 pounds.
You bastard. How do you feel?
I feel light, dude. I
Feel light? That's blocked.
And that rear end.
Holy porky.
I know.
1490?
A little heavy,
A little heavy.
but I've got grip. So
Okay.
grip versus power versus weight, we'll see.
We'll see. We'll see. The Z. Wait, what? 1210. 1210. Dude, your car's just like you. It's skin and bones.
How much gas? How much gas?
That's full tank. That's so light.
Dude, we thought if you were gonna drift in, and we're like,
Oh, not with everyone here. Is that 1,000?
1020. 1020. Oh. Lightest car yet. Probably lightest of the day.
Well, I got competition with the 8.6.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Volvo, Volvo, en jätteflimad Volvo. En Volvo med en 8 i som ryker och som går som självbefall.
the same as mine?
Wait, what? That's pretty good. 1330 again?
That's the same as
the
mine,
same,
right?
exact same as yours?
Yeah, I think, right? Sean, we're identical weight.
Yeah, but yours.
And it's a sedan with full interior. It's like a full metal sedan.
That's pretty good. And they're safe.
And it's automatic.
Doesn't have AC. Doesn't have AC, but it's okay.
How much gas do you have?
Close to full tank.
Yeah, this thing will all trucks.
Volvo. $11, 50, 60? 50.
Wait, it's not yet. Oh, there it is. It's yellow.
Skinny legend.
Skinny legend. Skinny legend Adrian.
GSR got all the lightweight goodies.
You gotta get out, dude. What? You have to get out of your car. You won't know. Oh. You can't count yourself. What if you're 400 pounds? 1090? That's so light. Looks sick too. $11.80 kilo. It's exactly what the spec says. Honda doesn't lie.
I guess they don't.
Honda doesn't lie. Now for the pig. Porky. Porky. Porky.
What else? Get your excuses out, Bonger. It's wrapped.
$13.80?
$13.80. Whoa, that's Porky.
Dude, that's more than the Volvo. Bro, the gas is empty. What a chungus.
It's 3,000 pounds.
3,000. What a chungus.
Oh, he's got a
What the? Oh. Dude, I thought that was like a retractable cane or some shit.
Why would I have that?
1,200 kilo. Yeah. Look at all these heavyweights. Everyone goes dead silent.
Oh, Borat's missing.
Everybody freeze. Everybody freeze. Freeze.
This is the thing you were talking about, right? Yeah.